So good afternoon dear students. Before class discuss about factorization. Today discuss about completing square method. What is the meaning by complete square method means what is the given equation? This full equation to convert the completely square method. How to convert the given equation? Completely square means first of all what is the given equation to convert a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this equation first of all convert a square plus 2ab plus b square. After that a square plus 2ab plus b square form is a plus b whole square. The given equation convert the first one is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Finally we get the completely square method. Or else the given equation convert a square minus 2ab plus b square. Finally, what is a square minus 2ab plus form is a minus b whole square. So, given equation finally how to convert the completely square method. So, everyone understood how to given equation by using the complete square method means how to convert means first of all what is the given equation to convert a square plus 2ab plus b square or a square minus 2ab plus b square. This one can be written as a plus b whole square or this one can be written as a minus b whole square. Finally, this whole equation convert to the completely square method. After that, we can find the x value. How to find this equation is what are the given equation? Correct as it is. Solution. Listen carefully. One question you are understanding easily. Remaining questions are very easy. So solution. First condition is what is the given equation? Right as it is given equation is x square minus 5x minus 7 is equal to 0. I am writing step by step. What is the step 1? Step 1 is nothing but in this quadratic equation constant value take right hand side in this given function or else in this given quadratic equation what is the constant value minus 7 constant value minus 7 take right hand side. Step 1 is in left side of the constant value take right hand side minus 7 take right hand side you get positive 7 is equal to 7. First step is left of the quadratic equation take constant from left side to right hand side. That is the first step. Step 2 what is the step 2? Whenever the given function a square minus 2ab plus b square or a square plus 2ab plus b square form is that easily have to convert to the completely square method. How to taking minus or plus means here what is there? Minus is there. That's why this function convert in terms of a square minus 2ab plus b square. How to convert this function? How to convert a square minus 2ab plus b square? Now say listen carefully. X you can write as x square. Yeah. 5 into x, 5x or x into 5 both are same because of 1 into 2 or 2 into 1 both values are same. Okay, a into b, b into a both values are same like 5x can be written as x is to 5. Why you are writing means here what you want 2ab form you want. You don't know here 2 is not there. That's why multiply with 2 divided with 2 you can take. Because of 2 get cancelled 5 into x is 5x. Simply you are assuming why you have to assuming this one you want to 2ab form. But 5x is not in the form of 2ab. That's why 5x can be written as x into 5 multiply with 2 divided with 2 we get a square we get minus 2ab. Next if you want to b square what is in place of b? 5 by 2. b square means 5 by 2 whole square. Both side adding 5 by 2 whole square. Say plus 5 by 2 whole square. You understood this step? The step 1 is from left given quadratic equation take constant value right hand side. Finally this function to convert a square minus 2ab plus b square form. How to convert a square minus 2ab plus b square means first x whole square minus this form is not in the form of 2ab. That's why 5 into x can be written as x into 5. After that, multiply with 2, divide with 2. Now we get a square minus 2ab. Next, if you want to plus b square is not there. That's why you are, what is the b in place of b? 5 by b square. What means both the side we are adding 5 by 2 whole square. Everyone understood? 5 by 2 whole square, you get same value. Simply we are assuming that one because of you want to complete square method. That's why this whole function to convert a square minus 2ab plus b square. This form a square minus 2ab plus b square can be written as a minus b whole square. A is nothing but x, b is nothing but 5 by 2. X minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to, everyone understood how to write this one? This is a form of a square minus 2ab plus b square can be written as a minus b whole square. A replaced by x, b replaced by 5 by 2. Simplify the right hand side value. The 5 square value is 25, the 2 square value is 4. Take LCM. X minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to, the LCM is 4, cross multiplication, 7 4 ja 28 plus 1 into 25 is 25. Simplify the function. Left of the function is x minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 28 plus 25 is 53 by 4. Finally, if you calculate only x value, but one I will remove, what is the extra? Square is there. Taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both the side. Taking square root on both sides. Take right hand side plus or minus square root of 53 by 4. Why you are taking plus or minus means this equation is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, x value, how many roots values you are getting? 2 values. That's why whenever you are taking quadratic equation, you are taking roots, but my master should be mentioned right hand side plus or minus. Square and root get cancelled. Remaining function is x minus 5 by 2 is equal to plus or minus root you can write individually. So root 53 divided by root 4. So minus 5 by 2 take right hand side, we get plus 5 by 2 plus or minus root 53 by root 4. Root 4 can be written as 2 square. Square root get cancelled 2. So root 4 value is 2. You can write 2 values. One is a 5 by 2 plus root 53 by 2 or 5 by 2 minus root 53 by 2. This is a completely square method. Very easy. There are only 2 steps. The first step, what is the given equation, right? As it is, constant will take right hand side. That is the first step. The second step, left of the equation, convert a square minus 2ab plus b square or else a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here minus is there, thus we are taking a square minus 2ab plus b square form. So that 5x we are writing as it is x into 5, multiply with 2, divide by, you are taking multiply with 2, divide with 2 means this function you want to 2ab form. 2 is not there, that's why you have to taking multiply with 2 divided with 2. This form now 2 square into 2ab is the next you want to b square. In place of b, what is there? 5 by 2. Both the side we are adding b square value. That's why both the side adding 5 by 2 whole square, 5 by 2 whole square. This one get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, getting same equation. Because this whole equation convert to the completely square method. That's why this function is multiply with 2, divide with 2. This one adding 5 by 2 whole square. Now this function, whole function, a square minus 2ab plus b square can be written as a minus b whole square. So a minus b, a is nothing but x, b is nothing but 5 by 2 whole square. After the right hand you are taking LCM, finally you get the x minus 5 by 2 is equal to plus or minus root 53 by 4. So root 4 value is 2. After that write separately 5 by 2 plus root 53 by 2 or else 5 by 2 minus root 53 by 2. Everyone understood how to solve the given equation by using the completely square method. So very easy, only apply here, only 2 steps. Okay, everyone understood? The second question, you are only applying only two steps. The first step is what is the given equation, constant value take right hand side. After that, what is the left of the equation to convert it completely, a square plus 2ab plus b square, or else a square minus 2ab plus b square. The second question. The second question is x square plus 9x plus 7 is equal to 0. So, what is the given equation? Like as it is, x square plus 9x plus 7 is equal to 0. The step 1. What is the step 1? Left of the equation, what is the constant value? What is the constant value here? Plus 7 is the constant value. So, the step 1 is left of the quadratic equation, take constant value, right hand side. Here constant value is plus 1, take right hand side. X square plus 9x plus 7, take right hand side, minus 7 here. The step 2. This whole function convert a square plus is there, we have to convert a square plus 2ab plus b square. How to convert a square plus 2ab plus b square means first function is right, x square plus 9 into x can be written as x into 9. 9 into x or x into 9. Both values are same, does not change. 1 into 2 or 2 into 1. Both values are same. That's why 9 into x or x into 9 you are writing same. 9x can be written as x into 9. A square is the 2ab form we want. That's why multiply with 2 divided by 2. Multiply by 2 divided by 2. Now get a square plus 2ab. Next, if you want to b square, what is the place of b value? 9 by 2. B square means 9 by 2 whole square. Both the side we are adding 9 by 2 whole square. Everyone understood? This function totally convert a square plus 2ab plus b square form. How to convert means 9 into x can be written as x into 9 multiply by 2 divided by 2. Now a square plus 2ab. Next we want to b square. That's why what is the b value here? 9 by 2. Both sides we are adding 9 by 2 whole square. This whole function which form we are applying? A square 2ab plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square. This whole function to convert to the completely square means a value is x, 2ab, b value is 9 by 2. So a plus b whole square. This whole function we are writing a plus b whole square. The right hand simplify. 7 plus 9 square value is 81. 2 square value is 4. The everyone understood? The next one is take right hand side LCM. Cross multiplication. The sum is 4. 7 4 ja 28 plus minus 7 is anything. Minus 7 that one not 7 minus 28. 1 into 81 is 81. The next one is you have to simplify the right hand side value. X plus 9 by 2 whole square is equal to minus 28 plus 81 is 53 by 4. You are eliminating square. You can take square root on both sides. Take square root on both sides. X plus 9 by 2 whole square equal to plus or minus root 53 by 4. Square and root get cancelled. X plus 9 by 2 equal to plus or minus root 53 by root 4. We are writing root separator, numerator and denominator. Plus 9 by 2 it got said minus 9 by 2 plus or minus root 53 by root 4 value is 2. So I separate two values. X is equal to minus 9 by 2 plus root 53 by 2 or minus 9 minus root 53 by 2. So both the values are the same, only adding numerator. Minus 9 plus root 53 by 2 or minus 9 minus root 53 by 2. Everyone understood how to give an equation completely convert the square method. These are process. Everyone understood? It is clear. The next third question. Very easy. Only applying. There are two steps. After that equation to convert full completely square method. A plus whole square from you have to convert or else a minus b whole square. But this method is not important for the final exam. Okay. Next third question. 2x square minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. The first given equation as it is 2x square minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. In before two questions, x square coefficient must should be 1 is there. Here x square coefficient what is that? 2 is there. That's why this method not convert to the complete square method. So how to convert the complete square method? First we have to eliminating the 2. How to eliminating 2? Means here first what is the condition? Step 1 constant will take right hand side 2x square minus 3x is equal to 5. First step is constant we are taking from LHS to right hand side. X square coefficient master should be 1 you want to. Here what is that? 2 is there. We are eliminating 2 on both sides. Eliminating is divided by 2 on both the sides. We get. So we are eliminating 2 by 2. 1 minus 3 by 2. X is equal to 5 by 2. Why you are eliminating means easily you have to convert to the a square plus 2ab plus b square form. Extra 2 is there. That's why we eliminate 2 means both are divided to the 2. That's why now easily convert to the a square minus 2ab plus b square form. That's step 2. You have to convert a square minus 2ab. A square 3 by 2 x as interchange x into 3 by 2. Now multiply with 2 divided with 2. Multiply with 2 divided by 2. Already denominator 2 is there. 2 into 2, 4. So 2 into 2, 4. So now 3 by 2 writing as this. Multiply with 3 divided with 3. Already denominator 2 is there. 2 into 2, 4. Now this form is a square minus 2ab. Next we want to b square. There b is the missing. How to take b value is in place of b value is 3 by 4. B square means 3 by 4 whole square. Both the side adding 3 by 4 whole square. Both the side adding 3 by 4 whole square is equal to 5 by 2 plus 3 by 4 whole square. You understood this step? Here first one is x square minus x into 3 by 2 writing x into 3 by 2. After that multiply with 2 divided with 2. Already denominator 2 is there. 2 into 2, 4. That's why we are writing directly 3 by 4. Now this form a square minus 2ab. The next you want b square. B value is missing. That's why we are adding both sides. B square value 3 by 4 whole square plus 3 by 4 whole square adding both sides. Now this form is a square minus 2ab plus b square can be written as a minus b whole square. A is nothing but x. B is nothing but 3 by 4. X minus 3 by 4 whole square is equal to 5 by 2 plus 3 square value is 9. Whole square is 16. So finally the equation you have to convert the completely square method. So you have to simplify. Right hand side you have to simplify the value x by 3 by 4 whole square is equal to the LCM is 16. The LCM is 16, but here 8 is LCM multiplied with 16 will getting 8 to should multiply with numerator 8 divided with 8. Then 2 into 8 is 16. Only product 5 8 is 40. 5 8 is 40. Plus already denominator 16 is there. LCM also 16. Only we are adding the numerator. What is the numerator value? Only numerator value is 9. How to take LCM? Everyone understood? Because of the 2 and 16 LCM is the value is 16, but here 2 is there, but here LCM is 16. How to convert the 16 is which number multiply by 2 we get 16. 8 is a possibility. That's why numerator multiply 8, denominator multiply 8. So 5 8 is 40 plus already numerator 60, denominator 16 is there. So numerator value write as it is. Now 40 plus 5 is 49. X minus 3 by 4 whole square. 40 plus 9 is 49. Now divided by 16. For eliminating square means take a square root on both the side. We are taking square root on both the side. Equal to plus or minus square root of 49 by 16. Square and root get cancelled. X minus 3 by 4 is equal to plus or minus root 49 by root 16. Minus 3 by 4 take right hand side. Plus 3 by 4 plus or minus root 49 value is 7. Root 16 value is 4. X is equal to 3 by 4 plus 7 by 4 over 3 by 4 minus 7 by 4. Both the denominator is same. So 3 plus 7 overall 3 minus 7 by 4. Here n by 4 overall minus 4 by 4. Finally we get 5 2 2 5 ja 2 ja. Here you should get minus 1. The x value is equal to 5 by 2 or else minus 1. Everyone understood? It is clear. The last final question in this method. These questions on this method are not important for the final exams. So only in these three methods, only important method is formula method. Only practice only formula method. So everyone understood? The last final question in this method, the fourth question. The fourth question is solve 4x square plus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here also x square coefficient 4 is there. That's why first of all you are eliminating the 4. So first as it is, you should write 4x square plus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. Step 1. You are writing, understanding step 1. Step 1 is constant will take right hand side. Constant will here minus 3, take right hand side, we get the values plus 3. X square also should be 1. Is the reason you have to convert the completely square method. But here 4 is there, that's why we are eliminating 4. That's why divided by both side 4. So we get x square plus x is equal to 3 by 4. Why we are eliminating 4 means easily convert the square method. That's why we are eliminating 4. So now this step 2 you have to convert this whole function a square plus 2ab plus b square form. How to convert to the a square plus 2ab plus b square means, see you are applying the step 2 condition. X square, if you are writing x as it is, multiply with 2, divided with 2. Multiply by 2, divided by 2. Now we get a square 2ab. Next we want to b square. In place of b value what is there? 1 by 2. B square means 1 by 2 whole square. Both the side adding 1 by 2 whole square. Both the side adding 1 by 2 whole square. This function now, which form in the function is from? This function, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A is nothing but x, b is nothing but 1 by 2. This function in the form of a plus b whole square. A is nothing but x, b is nothing but 1 by 2. Is equal to simplify the right side value plus 1 square value 1, 2 square value 4. Now simplify the right hand side value. X plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to, the LCM is same, only adding the numerator values 3 plus 1. X plus 1 by 2 whole square, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 by 4, 4 get cancelled, the value is 1. X plus 1 whole square is equal to 1. The remaining square can square root on both the side. X plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to plus or root on square root get cancelled. X plus 1 by 2 is equal to plus or minus root 1 value is 1. So plus 1 by 2 take right hand side minus 1 by 2 plus or minus 1. Finally we can get the x2 values. One is a minus 1 by 2 plus 1 overall minus 1 by 2 minus 1. The x is equal to take LCM is 2. LCM is 2, 1 into minus 1 minus 1 plus 2 into minus 2 overall. Here also LCM is 2 minus 1 minus 2. We get values or x value is 1 by 2, one more is minus 3 by 2. This is the quadratic equation by using the completely square method. You understood? First step is what is the given equation? Constant will take the right hand side. The second step is in middle function. In middle function, how to convert to AB means multiply with 2 divided with 2 we can take. Now this form a square plus 2ab, b square is missing. That's why in place of b what is there? 1 by 2 is there. That's why b square is 1 by 2 whole square. Both the side we are adding 1 by 2 whole square. Now this is in the form of a plus b whole square form. A is nothing but x, b is nothing but 1 by 2. This whole function we are writing a plus b whole square. So x plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 3 by 4. 1 by 2 whole square value is 1 by 4. 1 square value is 1. 2 square value is 4. Now right hand we have to simplify the right hand side value. Both the denominator is same 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 by 4 1 value is 1. We are eliminating square with take square root on both sides. Square root get cancelled, plus or minus root 1. Root 1 value must should be 1 only. So So plus 1 by taking minus 1 by 2. X how many values we are getting? There are 2 roots because of the given equations. What it equals definitely x values. You are getting 2 values. That's why you are writing separately. One is the plus 1, another one is the minus 1. Plus 1 by 2 plus 1 is 1. Plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 3 by 2. This is the method of the completely square method. Everyone understood? It is clear. Today second chapter is over. Theory of the equation is over. Next to Monday and Tuesday I will explain in the same chapter revision. Okay. Next week means Monday and Tuesday I will revise this chapter. For not understanding the questions, please ask the editor. Okay. You understood this question? It is clear. Thank you all.